Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, baby girl, baby boy, welcome back. I just want to say thanks for stopping by. Whatever reason you're here, I just want to say welcome. If you're new, welcome. My name is Saygbah. I like saying it slow for the Americans, but for my Africans, Saygbah. My name is Saygbah. I'm from West Africa, Liberia. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I do hair, makeup, vlogging, a little bit of everything. Anything that have to do with me. Mainly like beauty stuff. I like getting dressed up and getting cute. So whenever I get dressed up, I love it to get dressed with me. It's a full lace wig. Installment. It's one of my old wigs. It's really old, so the detail 2-3 years old. So it's an old wig. But I just wanted to show y'all how I did my wig installment. On this channel, we hook each other up. So if you see anything on my channel that you want to know about or you have question about, let me know. When it comes to hair, I know a lot of vendors, so don't hesitate to reach out. I got you. You got me. So if you're new to the channel and you love my energy, because I'm the most awesome person in this whole wide world, connect with me. Let's become family. Let's get into this together, okay? Let's get to know each other.
Beats. Yeah, I'm on citrate. Blessings, you're coming.
I look like a true dog. I look like I electrocuted. Don't I look cute? I look like Mufasa. I look good, right? Sorry, but I want to do this wig installment. I don't know if we should do it together or try to do a voiceover. Let's see how it goes, okay? So I have my base. Today I'm doing a bald cap method. As you can see, this not really bald, but it's close enough. You know, when you're far away, it look bald, right? Bald cap method. So this is what we're working with, and we're gonna be installing this wig. This is my old curly wig. It is a full-length wig. Yeah, it's a full-length wig. So I wanted to do something different today. Usually I just do the basic 1-2, 1-2, but today I wanted to do the bald cap method. So let's see how it goes.
process for my hair, I usually like parting it in section, but it wasn't a lot of hair, so I didn't part it. If I part it, I would do full section. I just use water, condition, anything oily. I use mousse to define the curls. What else? That's about it. And I just spray it everywhere. Literally drench it in condition and mousse. That's about it. I apply it everywhere. And the more mousse and conditioner you add, the curls will be very tight and it will go for a long time.
So guys, that was the end of the hair tutorial. Basically, when I got off camera, I did my makeup, and I'm not good at laying baby hair yet, so I can't really go into detail about that yet. But once I get to the point where I'm comfortable, we can talk about that. I just define my part with my foundation. That's how I did that to achieve this. That was it. So if you watched to the end, thanks for watching. If you like, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Interact with me. Let's talk to each other. Don't make me feel like I'm on here by myself, just talking to myself, okay? I would love for us to talk to each other. So if you like this video, baby, hit the like button, okay? And I haven't come up with a name yet for us to be like my family. But right now, we just all family, just geeking and vibing with each other, okay? So if you like this video, thanks for watching. I appreciate the love and the support. Y'all know I wouldn't be doing this without y'all. How, baby? How? Okay?
Yeah, beats.